Taking it to the extreme, the standard for 750 XTR. The WAGO I/O System 750 XTR features outstanding characteristics. It is extremely weather resistant, immune to electromagnetic interference, as well as insensitive to vibrations and impulse voltages. This is what makes 750 XTR the first choice for demanding applications. The new WAGO I/O System 750 XTR is easily recognizable by its dark gray modules. Benefit from the unique added value provided by this system in extreme environment applications, lower space requirements, lower energy and maintenance costs, investment security, and maximum system availability for greater productivity. The XTR variant of the WAGO I/O System 750 remains unaffected by both freezing cold down to -40 degrees Celsius and scorching heat up to 70 degrees Celsius, for instance in wind power systems or secondary substations, and this applies equally for both startup and ongoing operation. Additional heating-cooling equipment are not necessary. The WAGO I/O System 750 XTR provides higher insulation withstand, up to 5 kV impulse voltage, lower EMC emission of interference, and higher insensitivity against EMC interference. This guarantees successful communication. An extremely robust design is particularly required, where, for instance, powerful motors and power circuit breakers are located in the immediate vicinity of the system. The 750 XTR Series pays off twice, maximizing both system availability and investment security. Fine modularity and great component diversity makes it very flexible and highly compact. Up to 16 channels in a 12mm wide housing. The 750 XTR Series combines the positive features of the successful WAGO I/O System 750 with an extremely robust design. All digital outputs are interference-free for safety function applications. Taking it to the extreme, the standard for 750 XTR.